Now that we know a little bit about energy, we now need to learn how we measure energy. So in science, we measure energy with a unit called a joule. And 1 joule is the equivalent amount of energy needed to lift 100 grams of mass 1 meter into the air. Before the unit joule was developed, and sometimes today you'll still see this unit, there was a unit of energy called a calorie. And 1 calorie was the equivalent of raising 1 gram, which actually happens to be 1 milliliter of water, by a temperature of 1 degree Celsius. We don't use calories anymore because it's an older unit and we have gone metric. Sometimes in science though, 1 joule is found out to be actually a small unit. So instead of using the unit joule, we will use the unit of a kilojoule. Kilojoule. Where in science, kilo is a prefix that means 1,000. So 1 kilojoule equals 1,000 joules. Sometimes again we need a larger unit and we might use a unit called a megajoule, where in science and maths this word mega means 1 million. So 1 megajoule equals 1 million joules. Now it's quite easy to convert between these units. If you're given a quantity, for example, off of nutritional information that you find on a food packet, you might find that a serve of a certain type of food contains 459 kilojoules of energy. To convert that to joules, what you actually do is you understand that whenever you see kilo, it means 1,000. So 459 kilojoules equals 459 times by 1,000 joules, which equals 459,000 joules. You can do the same with megajoules. You might have a quantity of 183 megajoules, and whenever you see mega, you know that it means 1 million. So this would equal 183 times by 1 million joules, which equals 183 million joules. Now you might note that this is quite a large number to write. So when we're dealing with large numbers, it is much easier to write them with prefixes, which is why we have the prefixes of kilojoule and megajoule.